Today we explore strategic expansion models that businesses can use to grow and penetrate new markets. Expanding a business isn't just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. Whether it's a geographical product line or a market segmentation expansion, choosing the right path requires careful consideration and strategic planning. Let's consider the Ansoff Matrix, a fundamental tool introduced by Igor Ansoff in Corporate Strategy. This matrix helps companies decide their growth strategy from 4 options: market penetration, market development, product development, and diversification. Each option carries different risks and requires different resources and competencies. Take IKEA's expansion into India as a prime example of market development strategy. IKEA, known for its cost-effective and functional furniture, had to navigate numerous challenges such as understanding local consumer behavior, setting up supply chains, and adhering to local regulations. The decision to enter India was not made overnight. It required years of research and planning to adapt IKEA's offerings to meet the unique needs and preferences of the Indian consumer. They modified their designs to align with smaller home sizes and offered localized products like masala boxes, which shows the importance of understanding and integrating into the local culture. The choice of the right expansion path should involve a thorough analysis of the company's internal capabilities as well as external market conditions. Companies need to assess their strengths and how they will leverage them in the new markets. Additionally, understand the local consumer behavior, regulatory environments, and competitive landscapes are crucial. For instance, in choosing between expanding to a new geographic market or introducing a new product line, a company must evaluate which aligns best with their long-term strategic goals and which they are structurally and financially prepared to tackle. Strategic expansion planning isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires a nuanced understanding of the Ansoff Matrix to match your company's strengths with market opportunities. By looking at successful examples like IKEA's entry into India, businesses can learn to navigate expansion with careful strategic planning and cultural adaptation, ensuring not only growth but sustainability and relevance in a new market.